Welcome to another video. Today I will be painting a bird in watercolor.
That night, I stepped into a dream.
I got very inspired these past mornings by the number of birds outside.
Well, my voice feels
As the sun begins to rise, you know, that magical time right before the day begins. There were so many birds on the lawn, and it was fascinating watching them from the window, just observing life.
The clouds are in the way, and her phone works fine. I guess she's got nothing.
I've been taking a lot of time each morning, especially to just appreciate that time to myself,
I'm just a songbird in a cage.
to not worry about the day, to just live in the moment. You know, just enjoying the sounds of birds and just be for a bit. I found that being grateful for the simple things can really put perspective on the rest of your day. And anytime I find myself getting just a little stressed, as we all do, I try to take just a little time to think of something happy that puts me back in that good feeling place.
Only ever me. Yeah, it's fine. I can never breathe.
I think each of us goes on multiple journeys in our lives personally, and as I get older, I find myself really slowing down to take in the moments, not rushing through them, but taking them all in.
A songbird, a songbird, a songbird in a cage with his wings clipped.
Even with my art, I have really begun to appreciate the time that I paint, exploring techniques from others and allowing myself to let my inner self take over,
Or I might stay and keep circle. Yeah, I might
not try to
stay
control the art, but just to let it flow as an honest expression of how I feel, maybe just in that moment.
and it's fine. It's only ever me.
As always, I appreciate each and every one who has watched my videos and left comments. I think it's important to have a community of people who can come together and share their ideas and talents.
I'm just a songbird in a cage, half screaming, and if she can't see through the haze.
Thank you to everyone who has been supporting my channel. Please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for upcoming videos, as it really means a lot to me. And I will see you on the next video.
A songbird in a cage with his wings clipped to no way.